Teni tsama kamzon ichi sajawa ijo. Juliet everyone. Sabko pyar bhara namaskar. I hope everybody is fine. I'm doing well, happy, healthy. उम्मीद है कि सब जहाँ कहीं भी आप हैं, उम्मीद है कि सब ठीक है, कुशल मंगल है, स्वस्थ हैं और खुश हैं. या जितने हम Drian Tenatusla discuss on how to control anger. Taizu Shreskola Tiamas Deli Chesana the Jangil Tachik Purezuka Ikanda Sachi Pakers. Zin Angma Anu Sale Discourse on anger. Shresko the Jangil Tachik Puratena Chinjugizupo Zupili Titinopole. So was a video on one Zixon. Then Shresko Puratis Pele Purashatiut that's Samyana. Tachikism Purashatiut. So please don't ask about anger management and all that, because I taught about anger management for an entire month based on Shantideva's teachings. So please look at previous videos and posts, so you will find it there. Yeah, leta ikanyang chizong chi aging school le ata. Jga pocha schola, jga porgat mugi schola hale. Sombason how to reverse aging. I'm 21 but look very old because of so many stress of this year. So the aging, you can't reverse aging. English birth. We cannot reverse aging. Because of impermanence, we will continue to age. Our bodies will continue to deteriorate, until we die. So, the way impermanence works, according to Buddhist philosophy, is that there is the birth, shkewa, like how we are born. Then nepa. Then after that is remaining, birthing, remaining, and ceasing, right? Or like death. So we are born, we remain, and then we die. So these three are like, these three are sort of like how impermanence works. So skinning just to measure stay. Matashkiwan in Sateno, then Naspa, Tasamata Nasashkilano, then it touching at Shichis to Slebachino, then in Matashik, Shichis and all the skinning jixums are pay. Taina Matayang, stress Mampuyonale. If we have too many stress Mampuyona, Mata Circa Mampuyona, then a Semdu Mampuyona, Yansimata, Shagun Gyosarik. Karpogiro Nozugle, then is Oldong Munigachik, Sulman Pobinches, Hale, then Matanchik, Sihat Pugala Milushis, or Teo Matanchik, Roshis Notitukle, Simbaskit Pomenda. Simbaskit Poyudna, Tenichik, or Chilichinkura, Matang, Nankunyan Skipo, Pilonian Chingatan, Sulbon, Tajik, Tuzusta Lusaman of the Inanjik, joyful, Hale, Chik, Skipozoshik, Yamuzoshi, Tezushimata, Lusanogele, Tajiko. Semboskit poyuti taji paspal de mochana me de chijele to mawo inang kashigizer ta date yententi to ngada de dubagun le taji lombo skun sama jukan guni no pale tene skushagun mana skushagun tene chik changun tene shagun man nakting tene paspagun purja mana korante lakmole so chukuzus lakmo tezugyong dule izuk semboskit poyutna so it depends a lot on how to on stress management. If you want to, remain youthful, meditation vegetarian access chana tene tagyu pasa mata pakspa ko renew gyara chanokle pakspa gune na ko tene otle man pangata access gyara choko sanokle kaji gyara za ko sanokle fruit dai noktana vegetable gyara za ko san tene nom chanang tene yusuk chedi chin korang samang pochan fry chanang tene nirma mang pochan tesu mun buza ko samanokle nirma yang pakspa dokshen no tituk sole tene chi do cream ku chano nimena chazane tene sunscreen ku sanokle so ya sunscreen ku sanok tene chi tepchi tene semba shki paji ku sanokle om gap ches semba zang bocho ches para no patimela yeah, but we cannot stop aging, you cannot reverse aging. It is just natural. How to awaken state of mind, how to heal mentally and physically, tense chem. How to awaken state of mind. Taya ladasena tangushis in English tangushambala misgene tasle. Awaken state of mind. Thus, awaken state of mind is not sangishes anopole. So, how to awaken state of mind? Then sangas awaken anopole. Sangishi sepia, then dikpa michuches, gewa chuches, so yeah, dikpa michuches, gewa chuches, then ada semba dulches, home gapches, chanchubisem gomches, chamhinji gomches, mana, then it's a matanchi de chipara. Then sorry. Miji phone lever. Somebody tried to call me. I always put this on do not disturb. To screen you do not disturb about the live stream chosen. Then you phone tangarma open level of the phone good then I look asking so anyway, Sangish is good then it choose to chess mana. Chinam Tamji Guli Jung, Tejuti Guzon Gulong. Kayam Bagijun Chimidiki Sum, Zeratola Sangis, Temolganangila, Tipachi, Mijashin, Giva, Pusum Soporji, Rangis, and Yonson, Denis Sangitem by Zeratola Swan, Dipa Michuches, Giva Chuches, so Atene, Sembatul Chuches. Oh, yeah. So not to commit unwholesome deed, to commit good karma, and to conquer your mind completely. That is the path of the Buddha. That is how you awaken your state of mind. What is meditation, Lole? Oh, yeah. Dense Kim. Okay. Thank you, Le. What is meditation, Le? Meditation is in a nutshell. Meditation book is Ldustan, Mampuji Mashada, Katasha Tana, Gompa in Zanole. So, David meditation will the much is described to Rupale. Standin Muslim, your question is what is meditation? So meditation can be summarized by a very useful stanza, which is basically a very useful line of a stanza, basically which means gompa mind combine. Meditation is basically not to it's not much about thinking about something. Meditation is not about how can I say, true meditation is not about thinking about something or concentrating endlessly or something like that. Meditation is about habituation. Yeah, true meditation is about habituation of not causing harm to others. Because when you meditate, when you sit, Hamana, Home Gabzane, Seka Dusteno, there's an Matanji, Zimu Matano, there's an Matanji, Zun Matano, there's an Matanji, Shumachano, Hala, Home Gabzane, Tenin Matanji, or Shock Machadano, Matanji, Pilos on Testanchi, Las Majono, Seka Chap Dusteno, then a Duchis Crambo, Magerano Zerupale. Sitting itself is one of the very helpful practices as mentioned in the teachings, because when you sit, you're not engaging in unwholesome deeds. For example, you're not killing someone or something, you're not stealing, you're not lying, you're not harming others. When you're sitting, you're basically just by sitting in meditation, whether it's chanting something, whether it's visualizing a deity, you are immediately preventing yourself from engaging in unwholesome deeds. Dukjes pokoram, campaign ko dukjes pokoram, gom gabsane dukjes pokoram, doshes panpo nokle. Tene gom demba oketena gom gosano kole. Gompa main, gom zan mane korezo. Tene dandiri ta angres pa gun chore ta angres pa de chita mampo yondu pali Instagram me ka yondu magazine gunina yondu. Changwaji yo dukan jis ezu rechoste dukan sos pale ezu chokan jis bo. Te meditation zaman kole. Tembe meditation ziches po, tene ngata chi khaspa guni mola tsosla, tsawela ma guni mola tsosla. Komches po no pale. jam ninje tene ngata tezuk o jam ninje tene yarabe chede ta ji kora sempa zampo choches po ngata komches po nokle meditation zena tene ngata ji philo acha zane ola changchubi sem komches jam ninje komches mana che ninje komches cha tene champa komches zopa komches the meditation magela nokle. That is actually true meditation because you are basically tezukchona tene ngata sempa dulches po last just no pole temane te shitu se mane shamaji ka uksi phalani ni chi nyongsan jönjuna ko semba modone chi panle skippo ji yona semba dul gospale semba dulchela pan gospa rangi semni yonson dul zegambe ka pan gospale. So if you engage yourself, like if you constantly reflect on compassion, if you practice compassion actively, when you're in your day-to-day life, while you interact with other people, if you be patient and then you base your interaction on people with patience and compassion and loving kindness, I think that is one of the best sort of meditation. That is one of the best habituation. You're basically habituating your mind so that it becomes, it becomes wiser. It becomes, how can I say, so that your mind becomes more enlightened, it becomes habituated to good qualities. So wisdom will naturally emerge. Yeah, it'll be easier for our minds to enlighten, So habituating yourself to good qualities, I think that's like real meditation. Konshok case 67. Don't ask about anger because I already spoke about anger for 1 whole month. So please, something and me video Konchok _ KC _ 67. So look at my previous post. Take a video the Sakal Dawakar Sakal Dawalta Chik Shapung, Junjuitene, Jivali, Zopeli Titeno, Sole. Oh, yeah, Tenezopeli Titeno, Tega, Tenejik, Chidichin Koram, or Sholokagun. Sholoka Gana Songa, then Pudigna, English Niskana, Shatum Butpin, doing in Delwa, Samyana, Tus Tunna, Tus Nunjina, and Delwa Samyana, Delwa Tanspin, two chicks as a day, Shriskola. Thence came Yatane, but our Ladaki youth nowadays barely know about Buddhism law, even they don't engage in spirituality. What's your view, Lo? Tate Nampe Dasa. Repeat mon pitch to post on G7 Cambo. Junju Shirab Liundi, Shindo Kalchi with Tekola, Munti de Sung Tupna Galando Palesa. That's Junju Shirab must is culture monocle. Mana, Yamatane, Chidis Koran, Tenas Tompani di Scola Monteca, Mana, Matante Nenci, Dometo Beshera Viscola Monteca. Oh, yeah, Taina, Tateo Tasamatayan, Stompani di Scola, Mimam Petra, Yang. Shad mi chopajik yon chen le cheze na stompani de skola kaltes matayan mimang chik ngata che de chkoran o migunla hlopchugunla migunla che ngata gomane chose motot bo gala jik metna tene anko stompani bo ngata miguna che gala hamoguna chepeta wal hungche sin jigri kya multena lama mampuji multidu spechana multidu te feta sa shirab lu skola ekani public na yamang pujik jungin ches mirugale oya o tene dare isu punyana tiwa wale karso tens kemzaganbo matai junu mang pujik tene chos cha mirug esukshik nampa skola shesa mirug te skola chik serzupa ta junu guna yale nge tampujuna tamari samba tsukshigin yale sombasang marang mijigino mana jumbuchi jigina china mijigino mirire sambari alagikya samba tanzo alagikle sombasang please don't repeat too many questions, Ellie. Come on, let me answer this first. Tense Kim. Okay, I'll answer your questions slowly. Tingera. Oh yeah, Taizo no pole. Ngara dasa samba tsukshigina. Junugunla 직 나타 낭초스 갈에 미시시스 직 초스파 초심티즘 미용제스포 다 나타 직 초세 토그니스타라닝 가시간이 정보 머지스 베코랑 시켜왕한미 라스 김디시저스테 초스초치세 스칼바데즈 미오미룩리 코 초스초치세 직 지디신 거랑 개와직 삭스메께 so basically this tense cam she was asking he or she I don't know asking about the youth these days, especially Ladakhi youth, that they're not very spiritual, that they don't know much about Buddhism. So what's my view about that? My personal view is that, some people, whether it's Ladakhi or Tibetan or Indian or, American or English, I don't care. I mean, according to Buddhism, some people just don't have karmic connection, karma from their past life to practice. Just some people are just like that, Even I've seen monks, nuns, they look down on Chenle, Scalvamet can choose churches, go on down on Chenle. Mana, Kaniji Chushada Note, Tempe Chusman, John Macho, and down on Chenle. They look at Sunagon on Tom. Sombasan, Kashiga Tezuyondo. They know that you know Manchawajik, I think majority of the youth, I think it's because they, I think it Gimsan Mampudukle. I think one reason would be that Gimsan Jikpuchi in Rasamna. 다직 마다 초스캅 망부지 당스바래 마나 다직 초스캅간 군이 초스캅 망부지 당스바 데니 초스포케 때나 자베직 고츠포지 마주알리 초스캅 망부지 당스바 데니 미구나 하마고 인티두게레 정부지나 미 망부지 때나 지르글레 초스캅 망부지 당스바 데니 직 고스타네 부지르 버레 참메 진라베 베송핀 로 데니 직 스페셜리티 자네 직 초지 당자네 초스캅 시간가 당스바선 고스타네 부지르 버레. So people, then the general public is not very acquainted with Buddhist terminology. So most of the teachers who have been teaching in the Himalayan region, I think they've been using a lot of Buddhist terminologies, a lot of technical terms. So most people, lay people that I know, young and old alike, what they tell me is that because they don't understand the terminologies, like the Buddhist terminologies, technical terms. So when you speak in such a language, which is beyond their grasping, they can hardly speak Ladakhi. Some can hardly speak their own proper language. So when you use very hard, difficult technical terms, and we don't explain to the common public in a very comprehensible language, then it basically just goes over their head. That's what they tell me, most of them. Language bit suggesting to ya. Choskat Mampoji transpatene, Jingata, Palskadina Zapik, Gurte, Miguna, Hagumachik Swasan, Tezukshin, into Gali, Lamagoni Chonachik, Chostanzo, Teushingana, the Choskat Mampoji transpa, Chik to Mispaketana, Junugula, Junuguna Chidishin Tachik, Chosena, Skipuji Maton to Pole. Mana, Skipuzikanbo, Chosena, Skipo Maton to Skipuzikanbo, Tenetena, Tachik not a materialism. Party churches now, tenetena pictures touches now, tenetena garina korin tukche songshmana tene drugs zera zoxla alcohol zera zoxla quick fix kongone quick fix maposta rupale instant result quick fix we chap zana chap samba kham song chano zo chishi long term samba tamon pale ki e daksa drugs zekanbo alcohol zekanbo mana e party churches gon te sambagon kazukshin ata samsarik cycle jiginokle mana tena ko chi khadna ya manush kala so basang pale atachi mane koran düzgün parti chen dukan koren dukan de onuş kalan son bazan mane koran tenete koren du pale tenete na chopan an patsam lob du pale mana gomachi beer tungan jigetna tene kule whisky tunchesh whisky tunse sene ram tuncheshi tene kule chatu tuncheshi chatu tene cocaine cheshi tene ecstasy cheshi oya tene heroin tene khatong ches tene bekar chesle Deushin bu sale son basan o tajingada junugun la jik chosen anishkit bu kan bu patama chanti tukle chosjona zamjishkit bu kya chosin na zamjishkit bu yotya choset ton tagun ngata jik specially ngata shesna chunjuk zera zoxla uma zera zoxla mana tene ngata jik lamagone namtar zela migarespe namtar zera zoxla tene nangjina tene ngata jik samadu jes gom hindup jes tegon zamjishkit bu kya tegon patama chano pole long term zamjishkit bu yora mana son basan Teo patachana, teniji chusena go to the onst. Chus patse gala kitches chances to get in Teo Samara. Okay, there are some very long tense movie days at the Pole, especially in Ladakh now the other religion taking over law. The day is not for when our own people become minority now, and that's why keep our religion alive simple. The teach the negishat Mana, please you have to ask questions, no? Tense Kim Lobajino. 부산은 뿜어놓을래. 아버지 미룩. Oh yeah. So you have to ask questions. No, we know the reality of what's happening in Ladakh. Ladakh teacher hago tino kale. Tonjina no. So we are trying our best. Everybody is trying our best. I'm trying my best. You try your best. Atansa mi koshi chuchano nang peizuk. No ata nang pechus sampo stormy chukjes. Ana chuluks la yapes metba. Oh yeah, teni chingata izukshik. Chidichen stormy chukjes. Teomata koshi chono. 라마고니 고시 주식이라노 되는지 미초스파고니 고시 주식이라노 탑스 주식이라노 되는지 다 다른마다 탑스 주세 다른마다 남페이스북 남페이스북 동천원이 되는 장주 메테로 말할 이라 섬에 탑스 주고시노 스탄진 모슬람 please reply your reply I lost my real soul how can I found it lo chizano 스탄진 모슬람 this doesn't make any sense yeah what do you mean you lost your real soul 아래 지금 나하고 하면 you have to clarify how we found our reality because I lost it. I don't understand your question because your question doesn't make any sense. How we found our reality? You lost your reality. You have to be serious with the question. So please, choose your tongue, Zushi in the Kata G7. Oh, yeah. Manakora put it money change my tongue. Choose your tongue, Zushi in this color. That's a big someone's at lay. G7 lay, choose your tongue, Zushi in Kazukshin. Choose your tongue, choose your tongue, Kazukshin. Tayang. Tiwa Gashin make to shit. Then I do Mina Tena Sangi Shaggy to be soon speak at Chapali. The Bojan Mishashi, give up some support chit, Rangis, Young Sondo, then the Sangis Temple, Church of Tontenangle. Dipami churches, Dipacham churches, Dipatsa picture, Dick Multimirupa special, Cesantuzan, Dipamachos, Tuskin Dipachos, Cesantuzan Dipamachos is a two multimiruple. Oh, Tenichi, Giva, Zapicuna Dick. Jean Pegiwa Juna Dick, Jami Pegiwa, Juna, Majona Dixon, the Zoom multimurally, give up Pusum Super Chetle, Manicola Pusum Super Chatsangwa, Mana. Oh, yeah, then a rangi semi Yonson Dul, then is a symbol of Manicola, Zapik Duna Digamano, yeah, Barbary Duna Digamano, Yonsuli, completely Dulgosano, Lamosano, Nyon Pomanicola, Tikutuazosla, Nyon Basho, Margal, Deja, Gelang, Teniji, Desama Tado, Desama Manicola, Colatuazosla, Purjamanicola, Lamojo, which is multitude. Just don't put this no summer. Yeah. Oh, yeah, let us say. Oh, the Stanzin Muslim is about the peace of mind is meditation or not law. English and a Chixerion, Stanzin Muslim. Ask a stupid question, get a stupid answer. So was on Tiva Ultra Rictina, then a London Ultra Rictification. Answers. Peace of mind meditation in no manos and a cheese. Home is home gaps, then Simba skip peace of mind can be on. So one gap, home gaps day after meditating. Because of meditation, you can get peace of mind. The peace of home gap, Simba skip home just for home in us and they don't know. Oh, Ketanut official. How to remove negative thought? Lama can lo. Samba negative thoughts and new mopazano pole. New mopacazo mecancho and zano. New mopamecancho chizepia. Ketanut officially. Auchobosanocle. Chidichin Matai. Chamning Jogomosanocle. Timira. Chamspa, Janmipia. Mata. Chamspale. Chamspazana. Loving kindness. Chamspazana loving kindness. Special. Semshan Samashkipo Yongshik Samchespo. Chamspanocle. Ninjazana. Tenesemshan Samala. Dupo Mayongshik. Dupo Mayongshik Samchespo Ninjanocle. Cham Ninja Hona. Then other negative thoughts, negative emotions. Who don't you with Kanchanocle? Kazuanoja. Special. Dosamata. Kendall Jixparanopole, should make Jixparanopole, Kendall Jingatan Sparzane, should make Jixparzane, then co to Sparagina, Coronjin Mundik Metcan Chamila, Mundipo Alacus Metcan Chuchi, then Kendall Boala Otpo Alacus Conchishi, Step Misomipole, Otpo Sparkan Corant and Mundik Metcan Chamilo, then a Nanzina, Matasemena, you Kazo Metcanchin, you Kazo Metcanchin, Teneji, Shozagan Kazo Metcanchin, Siri Kazo Metcanchin, Jotapshi Metenocle. So, this some talks pocket and a call do 상계했더니 주스기 분부 게티 지동했더니 지금 아 시대친 거랑 마다 세미는 거였간 뇽모 봐 세미는 거가 삼바속 봐 삼방은 봐 게티 지동 84000 이렇게 해서 빨리 때네 때 상마 다시 상계세 추스는 거가 다르르르더니 지금 스만 쪽으로 리설트 겼대 정말 두스당나 콘덴스 추스당 때네 잠바는 hin지 나와요 노래 잠닌지나 Allez, mata semshin guna shkito yongshi samchese tezu mata sembazan boshkichis semshin guna hingi dungal mangshi samchis pole teni te mata yang sambata education ore deji ko samsati amano I like so I think I should speak a little bit in English chilo how to remove negative thoughts, right? So it's not like I think for example antidote of antidote of anger, which is a negative emotion, it's patience, right? But then antidote of, like, for example, laziness is diligence, for example. And then, for example, antidote of being egoistic is to practice selflessness, right? But then if you want to condense everything, if you want to condense all of the antidote together, it can be condensed into loving kindness and compassion. If you practice these two, automatically you will become patient. Automatically you will want to be diligent, in your life for the sake of others. Automatically, by default, you will be more generous, you will be more disciplined. So that is why, all the great teachers, whenever they talk about antidote to our negative emotions, they always speak about loving kindness and compassion and loving kindness. These two qualities are the essential qualities. And if you practice and reflect on loving kindness and compassion towards all sentient beings, automatically you remove your negative thoughts. You don't have to shoot them one by one. You just literally blow them all up together, with the practice of compassion and loving kindness. How to do meditation in simple words? Tanzin Muslim we will do meditation here. Tanzin Muslim that's a 6 thing meditation chuntimira. Gumangata use certain zangchu chisilins, Papa Zampuchi to Malam Chisilia. Meditation jinas, very simple, traditional, foundational meditation. So please just bear with me. Soma into life is going to pataino. There announce story na dismirole. Chitisiduk question and answer interactive session in Ladaki. Then English and Hindi dismirota, Hindi not to conjumale sole. Then testing mata. Question and answer was start testing ni zangshu silches zangshu this thing ni teni ngata home gap jespo this kolenia ta fin se kan ji song le tuji che tempa o le tuji che gen song le. Thank you so much le. Oh yeah, tens came tayang continue. Oh tayang please, I think yeah le tens came, I request you to please taizu mangpo yang dia mas dia le choose this kola hele because ngata 지대진 라락스는 거가 지파 남파 정말 부득세는래 하고 지파 거랑원이 주서다노 힌나 되네가다 남파 거랑원이 주서다 주고시 각장이는래 하나 라락스는 거 지체지미로 대응하다만이 거랑 이숙차로 가숙차로 되니 말이 초스록도 파란지 주로 그러니까 건파식도 아까 마지스도 계속 잘 담아라 마사 말아마자 주주 원래 I don't like those kind of words because I like to focus on humanity. I like to focus on humanity. Matang someone me no matang samachik donga dokanji suji mikya someone dewagosa no sombasang I request you to now only but I feel sad to even see our people to look down upon. That's about us mana matang tini me nangna chona sembash kuru zerupa me nangna chona tini matang ran hoshir chugos pale 만나는 마땅한 호실 주고 마땅한 주는군라 미상말 하고 던 것을 계속 계라버쳐 받죠 말아버쳐 받마죠 하나 송바상 마땅한 때는 두구나 하고 던 것, 아발야말이거나 하고 던 것, 샤마자즈고 창마동저고 야라버쳐 받죠 징리징년보 안젤로게라 조스고 세고 시시노마니 소소장의 캄파니라 맞잖아 되니지 전미텔랑 절차세 놓고 tel 곳에서 해 놓고래 할래 되스 페이 이노클레 다음에 다 계속 미스터 페이지스는 거야 아프가니스탄의 지송 인정 만마 아프가니스탄 남파만 보이게 바밍 부대 요때노 이노야 that's true I know in some mistake I know everything is impermanent, things change, you can't keep everything permanent. It is against the teachings of the Buddha. Mana तेव्हा त्यांची गिरजा योंचेस पसुची कक्केना मनोकले 하고 뭐고 초스초스에 토탕보 창마 요때는 그래 하고 초스초스에 토탕보 미 창마 요때는 그래 힌두 인도 무슬만 인도 크리스천 인도 부디스트 인도 시크 인도 초스초스에 토탕 창마 요게 그래 Teni zambuling inga tanchi de koram duje tamchi mirtak pa as pasam zambuling bo gango mirtak pa nokle chospa mirtak pa nokle agwa son basan ton guje yono he ton guje yono le teni special ngama Afghanistan Pakistan mo changma teka boto mo po yokyazuru pa boto yokyazuru toron tenone skunda mo po biana zuru date mata tezu sambatan teni taglung korin dukje mane chamme kyale ta da sala das korin ko ngata chi situation ji mata nangpe chi sospo yargis chuchis mana muslim kharangone hoshya chono 그런 추슬 너무니 붙죠 아메라 그저 너무 줄을래 마땅 아직 상타 이숙시 미루빨래 제대로 댐식 자다 미루빠 곰베는 코스교자냐 코스마고는 제니용 쳇래 착마불라 독쳇래 할라 되네 착마불라 독쳇은 다dik 되네 찍고 쳇마불라 거지자 hale ya tene te tsori chi de chen koran chotpa ma bola karji za cheso la so pa te zukshan yani dik okay angmo 07 chapter my question is regarding it as all people used to say that taking promise dumba angmo 07 can you please clarify your question le then what the question in this in example possible oh standing sela how to get rid from suffering lole ta mone kono tibagon mane dodo kono tistam do pale ata dungal ka zo met kan chono ozo do pale then dungal met kan choche se pia dame to be shera ko sanokle mana ata jik dungal mata jik met kan choche se pia dame to be shera zegan bonga tango sanokte lamoji mekyakle lamo yot pera tene ngatan sama dungal met kan choche ekdam chanok pale dungal met kan choche se pia tene jik sose dungal met kan choche se pia dungal rgyu mirkewa misachesle hawa tene dungal opposite pachi nokzana lewa nokle dewi rgyu gewa sakches so somebody here was asking how to get rid of suffering which is like a very very explosive question basically she's asking about everything so I just said you need to have the you need to have the wisdom of the realization of you need to have the wisdom of realization of the non-existence of true non-existence of self to how to sharpen our mind use a sharpener and but to be free from suffering, we need to stop accumulating the cause of suffering, which is unwholesome deeds, dikpa, bad karma, harming others, and so on. And we should concentrate on accumulating the cause of happiness, which is the opposite of suffering, which is good karma, helping others, benefiting others, right? Practicing compassion and loving kindness. So to get rid of suffering, basically, you have to look at the cause of suffering, right? Cause of suffering is harming others, killing, lying, right? Causing, sowing discord between people, gossiping, right? Useless chatter, wasting people's time. And the wish to harm someone, right? The wish, the jealousy and anger and so on. You have to get rid of all this. You have to basically focus on the good qualities, the antidotes, the opposite of these things, right? And then you will be happy and you won't be sad. How to sharpen our mind? Use a sharpener. So, sharpener so basically very simple to sharpen your mind. Engineer first you need to do some engineering. Then there's plastic sharpener sharpener go then go mind for a sharp how to sharpen our mind? Sharpen your mind, well, basically I don't know, difficult question to answer. Practice manjushri, I think. Jambia hele tal tang pokaso yang juju tutorial then go the sharpener and look at sitting 736 to lay how to sharpen our mind jambia ngom go shetle jambal sanjut sila zata manjushri namasam giti jaktung ngatok langs de palang bungun sola gari chuchungi sabangit matang ngatok gari shanga tukjika langs de tene jambal sanju sila zatang le he manju shiri namasam giti oh ya teo sila zat tene omara patan de mabu sako sanokle oh ya tene chik gom gyako sanokle so tene semba rangji ne daji ko tene jambal sanju 44 dole jambal chori na jibshi geba teo silgo sana jaktung jambal sanju de toshis ngata mind sharp gira nokle tene jambi arngas omara patan de mabu sakches. Could you please tell the meaning of Dolma English in short, please? Oh, Gonspasal Mustup Siringle. The Dio Dolma English upload just English, I think you speak English, so the translation is all there. Please look there. Taina Dordustana Dolma English Tonta Bujuna, Lugus in Astana Izugum Gale, Izugzirugli, Pagwachan Razigi, Tene Pagwachan Razik, Kurvinang, the Assumption Mampoji, Pinskabale. 하고 코르비랑 reception mampoji principle Avalokiteshvara spent a long time delivering sentient beings out of samsara and into nirvana. Eventually jupega ta banchik song ta korwa stompa chaki yut zera china ziksa china yang korwa ko chi koran korwa zis pasan ju kolo zoshi song pasan yang ko rangjini tena ko assumption gun hale yang ko tena manma zoks la gangsu kyak zir ba le ko man korwa zikan ba tamet tongame zir ba le tongame tamame ba. So because samsara doesn't have any beginning and end, and samsara is not linear, samsara is cyclic, right? So that is why there's no end to it. So Avalokiteshvara, when he looked at it, again it was full of sentient beings. So he became very sad, and I think he cried, So they said in Namtar Nyongdupa, then it's Kashigiti was a rugle, Chmagazazigitene, is Chan Shumaching, Namtar Kashinti Disandu, Tenetina, Mentok, is second Mentok, Mentok magic, Barkazurupone, Tenete Mentopa, Damangi Soshi Kansurugle. So when Avalokiteshvara's tears, touched the floor, earth, a lotus bloomed with 21 petals. They got the Drumangi Soshi Kansurupole. But the meaning of 21 taras, it's in the translation is quite long, so please look at that. Yeah, that's a cute. To be a vegetarian, is it important to promise ole angmo 07 le mata vegetarian gyuchis pe lama ji kane donpa nengoshis met kamen kangsha me kyakle tamcha chuchis pa promise chuchis pole so chilo मैं जो भी कहूँगा सच की सिवा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा जैसे हम चुमा ता पिक्चर करने स्टाइल मेरा तमचा चुचले ते मैं कमें रुपुची दुना ता तमचा चुकोशी में क्या ले we don't have to take a vow तमचा चुना फंतोस चीज़ क्या जना स्टिंगमा ता जी शाजी जंगिन जोना जी subconsciously ता लदा पिना ओ मन में तमचा चुस पे जिसने हम चिंगा ता जी अच्छी दिशिन जंगी मिटो चीज़ so तो ता जी 파란 올래 지나방 요때 이렇게 할래 이는 몇 가면 담자 주제 간지 가들인 사고 설미시스 얘랑 샤 미자치스 포코랑 섬에서 담자 적 보는 거래 몇 가면 라마지스티나 둘라 샤고시 미케 인난 but if you want to formalize it you mean a formal chen samna stampo식 chen samna then 담자 직 가다시 굴때 하나 라마지게 잘때 then 직 가다시 풀때 담자 라마지가 풀때 하나 then 라마지게 담자 낸다는 말도 뭐노 해 Okay, there's some very generic questions like what is religion Rinpoche? Seriously, that's a very difficult question to ask. Yeah, that's a good question. Norbu Fab, Norbu Fab is Liverpool in Nakshabot. I'm just 90 fans of some Liverpool questions. Good money. Tajik. Yeah, Tajik, Norbu Fab. Bala myong jesla chugo sa nogle rinpoche ke solution bala myong jes na ya leta chi kaltes ngata teo samatna ki ni chang macho iski wen kong chang macho ske wa ngana ni chang macho ni chang galti met pa jana ji ngan not pa churug sanna tene ngata nam pe chos tak chute galte nogle sangi samala choksla ni tikya po nyara mi janma ji mani tikya po gusa manogle ni tikya na mi ni je wa yo ngata chik dukpoji yongna bala yongches po ngata dukpoji chachis posiste no bole sembarkit po yongches notpa yongches mana chik ngata parche yongches accident chachis sekale kane gerches chi donshik ma chi de chin khurang o chik semba tampo yongch te ngata dikpa sakane chaste no bole dikpa semba jans pasam mana teni tungal yongse no bole te bala je chishik mane ta mi zikan bo yang ngata chi de chin soso rang gen khura mi ru bole as human beings, we don't take responsibility. So if you feel that without any fault of yours, something or somebody can curse you or harm you, I think that goes against Buddha's teachings. Buddha specifically said that, he said that explicitly, he mentioned that, the result of our sufferings is because of unwholesome deeds. So we can't go against that. Miji nga ta chang ta met pa ji milogic staste ji don shi shungarik nasharik se or bast te zo bala kyang na manokle ta te nga ta yang ke wangan malas ngan pa ji chuste na tene kane chosman chokan ji chosman pa chos na po chokan ji na temdel ji zum se yang de zo she she na chi she de in nga ta chang galti met pa mi jan ma ji nga ta no pa chon ji me kyakle tene bala mi yong che se pia tene shkamdu ji go sanokle shkamdu mo posila za hai lama la shkab sun cho sangela shkab sun cho chula shkab sun cho 균도를 시켰으니 작풀 주메풀 개와주스 팀이라 말하면 어째서야 오야 되니 안칭이라 그때 템비 거라서 쉬었더니 되니 지중 기동타는 같은 템비 파는 거래 또 땡질이 규식이 놓고 지중제라 쪽도 땡질이 규식이 놓고 아단 딱 났더니 안칭하다 즉 파는 거래 하고 뭐고 오야 야다 저기 쪽식이 내래 그래서 I wish through the blessing all at Tenzicam thank you so much ele Tenezuk tu pata Tenzicam ngi taksa dari jua tsosla ino tanga ta nampe situation bo gyurinji na ino palan zambuling kang pena gyurinji na ino la taksa na gyuse zabi zabi yong tsirka tanga yong ra ele we have to try our best to preserve our way of life. That's our right. Tiyo ngata totoo ano pale. Tiyo ngati way of life ngati ladak spetini nangpa indo chipa korangoni chuano nangpa korangoni way of life. You have to preserve it mana. Ta nyampo ngata duksarte no. Mira ba ngata chipa nangpa nyampo duksarte no. Tani chipa gune izuk churuk, boto gune izuk churuk, hindu gune izuk churuk ngata sambatang go shimano pale. Don't concentrate on others. Janme ka concentrate chama sadang. Mana janma ko cha bursalang. Be friends with them, manaja. Have a good relationship with others, respect them, and just leave them. Concentrate on your own house. Mata sosorang kampa isu kada chokos pale. Sosorang gompa, sosorang chuluk, sosorang lam lukshul. Teo mata isu sambatang ospa. Jami ka samba matang le. Jami chisik tu chisik ameri chishi tu teo music sam. Mata na horsa nyara chungen na. Boto re horsa re nyara chungen na. Tene mata nampe isu life way of life. Mati nampe chidichin korang stawa lam chos te chise na yale ka oya te lukshul zampo nyamsa manukle. Mata nampa sosorang horsa re tene nyara machona. Tene tiso shiga nukpale. Ana te shino hey. Thank you, Tens Kemle, for all your comments. That's our question. Skeptical Human 7. Rinpoche, is it really possible to attain enlightenment in a single lifetime? Kasa Skeptical Human 7 le, it's very possible le. Teo ngata tene narupa, tilupa, marpa, melares pa zera choksla tene ngata. Oh yeah. Gampo pa zera tsosla, tsangpa gyare zera tsosla, tene jikten sumgun zera tsosla, tene nga ta chidi chinkurang, ji tsongka pa chinmo zera tsosla, tene sakya pendita zera tsosla, teguni misar stante nopale. These are examples. Gumbo lurup zera tsosla yale, jiwala zera tsosla, te sangme nga ta stana zate nopa, ki tseshik lushiga sangi shespo chiangme nyana nople. It is really possible to achieve enlightenment in a single lifetime. So, but it's not like when I think, for example, my own root guru, my own Tsawe Lama, Gerong Rupa Rinpoche, the 12th His Holiness Gerong Rupa, he's totally enlightened, completely enlightened. He has been enlightened for a long time. Ta is unopale, Kong Sangis inokte, Hale, Matata, mi tsula shkutans passant, Anjamana, Tenatanchik, Mata Mula shkutans passant, mi tsula shkutans passant, Tenichinatanchik, Demshik, Mikashi, Tata Mekan, Tajimata Tsawe Lama Gunajik, Maizushi, especially Maton Indote, Inna, their minds are enlightened. Manale, Tanyana, Tenekates, some looks the meditation chose the chose this thing is Sangesatna, Tenichi, Tako, Tapa Yukan Gulani, Lapaston Chikjaran of them. Tapa Yutkan Granny, Papa Jerazor, Lapa Jijaranole, Hagosh Chan Sum Jaranole, Tapa Metani, young and Metenazos, Kazushi Yut, Altenazos Manjalamanole, Tapeka Dipencherole, Dipa Daxi Yutna, Geva Saxi Yutnani, Tenematanchik Skew Tambagun Jalzani, Gewajinu Jalzani, Geron Rupan Bushin Jalzani, Mana, Matasavilla Jalzani, Teneman Koranchi, Papa Jerazor Jaltuki, Jizun Mesola Jalti to Gale, Amabo Sources. Tene ngata miso de chen kashi tizu yonti duk tene tapa mentani tene mitsula jalte nokle tene shkona ton nokle tsavela magani azuk churuk tene onjmana tizu shino. It's very possible to achieve enlightenment in a single lifetime. Yeah, I think now we are about to finish actually. Tens came. Thanks a lot, Lama Ken, for answering me. So, ole, Mudub Siringli, you're welcome. How to increase my concentration? Amole, to increase your concentration, I suggest you practice Manjushri in Jambiang, and read Manjushri Lama Sangiti, like I said, page number 44 in Jaldun Chodip. It really makes a very big difference. And chant Manjushri's mantra. And also meditate. That's how the 16 meditation. Warm gablet and money. Skip Lama conscious la sembasting ba churches kakchin oya. I need your blessing holy. Standing Muslim lay. Chuan Namgang like Gawachin my young good in Gino. That I give up Pelacapoli to Sansombasan. Sespachonga Jitson Manhamata. Oh, yeah, Jitsong Le. Cezan to Zan give out multiply chatting together, especially this one. Sombasan, he does a Chonga, Sespachonga, Sangas Opa meditation in Ole. The Namgang was Sangisaka to be tuition in Zurupa, Tishum Gurumbuchi, Sergat. Sangis Mella, Nishurma, come to meditation, Nishurgu, Chushkashomagon tuition. Then Eldenata, Tajing Matajik, Lamagon industrial, Lamagon Tunjak, the Zushi Martinani, young te Cezampo, Tuxoshion, Eldena. Sombasan, Tegun, Matajik, Temple Bokazushi Zumate, Matem Guzmet Tambujanelli, Temple Bokazushi Zumate, young Tung, Sextabus to Pole, Tusnang Japun, Te Tusnang Te Japeka, then give out multiply chatting to me. Dipagon multiply. Peltic to put it. So, then the money chick to money luck chick don't come so chic. That's a boomul thousand police, Sakal Davana, Tawatan Puzoshik. Or Sombasan, Johanam Gangun, Mata, Cezan Sombasan, give a ma chooses the multiply channel. Cezan Sombasan, Dipama chooses the Dipa multiply, Dipam Peltic together, Dushin to go. Stands in Sella, what kind of Buddhism we are, Lulia? Mata Dasa Himalaya Johnson and Ladosana you can put any Palchao, Sanadojitipa, was Jan and only. Tantric mystical Buddhism. Standing Muslim lay, I'm always with you. Hey, okay, lay. What the nita? That's a kiss of Shin Hele. Yaju Takonjong, Lados escape English and distance, but still Marcos Polanle. Yamjur Pilo, Lama Kenlo, Sundupo Kazushi, Sundu says money. Suntup. Young Ibo Delhi left na stuck the dogna. Just in ya or barla structures in ole even na kazu shkovanokle sontu peketanele shumkirjigenokle yantra so ki shumkirjino tenongo kilkorna tenongo ga tenesh nasna tesma disokle tenongo tante shkata seta chik mangbiguni ma takchinle sontu ta kochik sontu ba tesukshino zirgeli tamata derin sapa tamishis jangtang chamishisle ina sontu tamate okya zirgle Zerchesla, Michimi Hashi Tispin, Tawa, Angata, Largin, Lama, Argan Pukashi Tispin, then Contus, Suntupotama, Iwan Guli Palman of Zurgele, try the Machuspin, John Bazat, please don't try this at home, the Remirata picture, don't try this at home. Oh, yeah, there's only Guli Tangs, Iwan Palman of Zurgle. Iwan Palman of Zurg, Awan Palman of Zurgle. So, Telemata Dasate, and a mark chas and it's on to Takan when it is Lugus Shachi on the glue. Oh, my tensions and a campa near school, my campas on Basan, and a campa going on my gaming book. Mark Moputans and Opale, Anna, Campagon's spouse on Basan gaming a book, Mark Tansen, and a corner shaggy on the glue. Money in Namja some Guligam Duxancle. So, Namja some Guli Tansi, Guligam, those Pachan Chamber example. I want Pomir circle. I want an hour, Papa, you want my popagic. Two should gather to Pele. I don't know my spits to tax it is Jamtang wishes in a me when I ship zero. The next thing in answer them to put on circle. Then it put down, but then I want pocket, you want pocket. So, they should do that. So, to Japo de Indole, Suntup Samade, Seshum, Sepamid in the chin up Geneshua. So, Amita use. There was a culture, Marisa Bazoshin personally. She's an attaching Joe, Mark Tankazoshina, our Metan Jogos, you want Metan Chavigos Pale. You want Metan Micha, our Metan Merchant, Gulitza is a destination Alchanopale. So, Taji Dizushin and Seshumbo, Panto Chamiro, Samaranga, Sipagonipia, Seshum, Sepamedishwale. Seshum Buketan, and it's also shock sketches. Hale, you want me purchase. Oh, Dushin. Oh, yeah, Dushin Duk. 손톱 다주지 않대 손톱 덕세 지대신 강바 손한테 자원이 붙어서 우리 강방 받고 스피위 우리 당체세 마직세 기 우리 포도 포함으로 갈래 복시제세 나면 노르부페 Rinpoche, are you enlightened? No, I'm not enlightened at all. Sorry. Jang enlightenmently. I'm just like you. Oh, yeah. We're same. I think maybe you're more enlightened, maybe. Thank you so much, Le. Okay, welcome. Holy thanks, Kimle. Thank you so much, for your nice words. You know, I just tell them all the Holy Jitsawang Le Tuji Chile. Chudok Ling, Chudok Antidote, I think is my Dharma brother. Looks like a monk, you know. Jitsawang, thank you so much. Oh, yeah, the Nidik, thank you, Le. How to control our own anger, oh. Yeah, the show control Chiscola, the jungle, Tajik policies into which exists. Now, Buddhism is religion or way of life. Tanzin Sela. Buddhism Mongatata is Uchidichin. Nampechos Paketana. Nampechos Patajik, Chulujan Matsoshi in Timirukle. So, Chulujan Matsoshi in Timiruk. Lampe, Nampechos Paketana, way of life. Manale, Chulujan Matsokla, Chulujan Magonsoshi in Timirukle. Nampechos Paketana, because money cat person to do. Nampechos Punitus Samara, Marisambel, Chuzoshi no Samarale. Chuzer can bo Ikapena Lukna, Ikapo Koran, Ship Gurumira, Tenata, Tekpa, Nitus Tekpa, Ransangis Tekpa, Tekpa Chinmo, Sahadoji Tekpa, Tenana, the money variety small poetanopoli. Buddhism is very custom made, Buddhism is very open source. You know, Buddhism is, I think, not as rigid as other religions. So I don't really consider Buddhism religion. I bottle bin lugna, I bottle ship to Shibiro Napoli, Chuzoshi. Mana. So Basang, Nampoki, Namchus Paketana, Chuluk Janmagun, Manitsos Mirugla, religions and Ismena, Madiga in North Samaria. Oh, yeah, Dominica, 2 minutes to Chilo. Low Nutpa. Chishi, low Nutpas and Chisi German Patamason. What about nicknames? Nickname Rigzenangmo 07 Rinpoche. What about nicknames? I've heard that if you keep nicknames, our lives get shorter. Is it true? Manokle. If you drink too much alcohol, if you eat too much meat, if you drive too fast, then I think that's how your life becomes short. In Ming Taches Poyang, special down there to Pale, Yang Chanzena, Chilo, Achanzera Zori, Achanzera Zori. 조가시는 거 이카양래 아잔래 아진래 발란징 할래 지리 녀산지들 민친즈나 되니 민발락 정도 벌래 나도 라마지기 따가서 되는 거 민보 소알래 어야 라마지기 따가서 되는 거 민보 라마지기 따가는 제스테 되니 또 같이 진압지요 되는 거래 하고 라마 코랑에 되니 산직 때까지 살 되는 거 스페셜한 다성 사람이야 다 발가 림포체 제라 놓대 이나 이시기비나 되니 민보 께더라 지미 캐럽다서 이런 루퍼는 보시 살 되는 거래 소알래 Jimmy Kerab does it, and Yemian Jimmy Sombas, and Savilum Gelon Rupa quite Sanbong, Jimmy Pama Wangchin. So, the Nazo the Limits and Juchamanote, in a Consan and Jimmy Pama Wangchin. Sombasan, Zylon Consan, Jimmy Ponga Salteno, Quito, Mana, Sombasan telling him is a Mingtana, telling a right, Savila, teaching up some more good, Jimmy Camper, Linus Gutenopole, Skipatsoshi, there's good Pinacolama Samicina Poetanople, Hawa, Sombasan, Taten on Isupo, Mingbo. 미제 당산에 직메 당산에 대직 직메 직메 하모초시다 보모제 딱스타나 되네 양콩은 지미즈라 소즈루 벌레 또 노르테노 벌레 또 뭐다 지금 민 딱체스 벌도 미루 벌레 지미즈나 아무리 스페밍이 높벌레 아찬즈나 치자노 하고메라글레 아찬 바라드모니 그런 민민도 미드리 주르포 당들이야마다 하레 밤하고는 지금 대머리 쓸까지 이 특을세스네 이 특을 대머지나인데 민친즈나 양자는만래 아짠인자라 저부터 망부도 방하고메라고 망부 솔미시스테나 가시가시가 조시스테나 용도 벌레 손보상 민봉아탈 데모 비즈는 미게라면 안에 할래 거의 몇개 안레스페 민족적 민봉아탄직 파마코랑 규르던 것이 심해라 벌레 계속 파마고는 갈때 민불 데모마서는 되는 코로나 민탄은 뒤때노 라마지 스군드니 진납전에 민고 주고 심해라 많아 손보상 미선은 뒤주시노 사마해 조구나 주주 이런 거는 닉네임 민다 많아 되네 민민은 따돌래 슈 주다기 바바 콜라 할래 야 대성다 아찬 결링 있으면 대인랑 민보 닉네임 뭐 마다 민탁나 제대신 세툰 찬오스 지스보 메도 사마야 장때 세타당 짠 툰차만 없대 인랑때 라마설까지 진라 보고 마다 직다 말루즈나 다 지진래 대직 잠시만 뒤가면 알도 못 사람이라고 personally 아말에 민당만 디가 나는 보실래 디가 나는 찜이 결래 마디지지 파망 가린치 모이노 파망 같은데 지리진 거랑 자벨라마다 나단지 자벨라마다 파마상 가린치 이녹데 자벨라메스티니 같은데 파마이녹래 하고 이미지가 반치 파마이녹 밤에 갔다 때 추스방냐나 가외지 때 갔다 상게스냐니 때용 갔다 스케원디나 스케와치마 이스케와나 스케와스틱미피아 정말 반치스피아 되네 스타빌라마 하고래 스타빌라메 가슈스베가 락린 추스테만이 갔다 상게서 만옥때 인낭 스케와탕치스 이스케위나 고마탄테니 소와 카지자치스 콜라콘체테 라소파 직스티니 람스탄체테 상마탄칸 파마이노 볼래 되네 스타빌라메스티니 파마오 상메상 해주고노래 스타치모노 해 되네 밤에 민당미 쉬지 좀 맥결래 스페셜한 춘전에 되는가 gellatsavilama gelong rupan bushisanga chanbu masal manla chunjana ngatene lamdona ngasilzani mimi kunzang mazetne kunzangima so nono kunzang mazetne teni no patate kunzang imbaya chik shortum jusana kunazetne kuna zena man diamit ngale kuna zena ngamane kol dokurte yale hale so kunazetne kunzang ima nono kunzang zena demosorten kunzang ten abalamale taksana kunzang mazetne mana tene dachu 자벨라마 스네밍 모주 잡았더니 자벨라마 맞아라노 tene 대신에 자벨라마 펩시스팅네 gelong rupan boji 펩시스팅네 tene 겨주고 뭐 제가 차데 mana tene 민주 chana jigmet kerabda serse taksana sone somba digshino sombazan ya jutadik thank you so much everyone for your questions you know when I do a teachers poll tene joyutki I hope that my questions were sufficient you know and taimani kanga skadik दुखता एक हिंदी ज्ञान करनी थी तो यहाँ पर मेरे ख्याल से बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो केवल हिंदी भाषा जानते हैं और मैंने सुना कि यहाँ पर हिमाचल से भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो ये लाइव स्ट्रीम देखते हैं तो माफ़ी चाहता हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर लद्दाखी में बात करते हैं और इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं तो हिंदी में ज़्यादा बात करने का मुझे समय नहीं मिलता है मुझे इसलिए मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ यार तो तादा से यू लाइव по ऑप्शन on Tuesday, I will stop this live stream. I will come back. We will do Zangchi prayer. Okay, so join me back.